product overview, the way the overview should look like. So we have aim, we have objective, those ones we have not touched. We have looked at the issue of planning, initial references, and we have looked at because the class is on. Well, maybe there are challenges with online, but this is not something you have ever said to me. You have never said that because of online class, you would want a physical class, it will improve your ability to write well. But I also don't see the merit of the reason that now when I come for the physical class, you will be able to write well. Because as long as you understand what I'm saying, that's it. You understand that I'm saying I want you to write this overview. But even so, assuming you are genuinely concerned that you are not understanding and therefore you feel that physical class would help, why would you not have raised that with me? Not raised that. The issue of the physical class. The other one I've seen is what? I think those are the main ones that I saw. I don't know what other what are something else. Otherwise, here is the thing. If you have issues, and just 1 minute, please. So is there, this is what I'm trying to say, that is there any other concern that you should feel I should address in a way, please, that makes progress to this class? Otherwise, here is the thing. As long as we are doing this work of the proposal development, with me, for example, we have to do a good job. That's for sure. And a good job means that if for example, I was looking at what was submitted by, for example, I just started looking at some work. Yeah. So I looked at this work that was submitted here. This is best, and I said, so this is traffic management system. This is the way Esther has presented it. The overview is discussed. She has also done, so this is not the way I want them done. So this is not me. This is from somewhere else. So this one, I'll give you what I need. This is not my objective. This is not the objective, because what you are giving me here are advantages. I don't want the advantages. So you have the key, you have the planning, you have the references. If I look at this document, it's an improvement. It's an improvement considering where we are coming from. This is an improvement considering where we are coming from. And it's a document now we can start having a conversation around on how, when you can present, as long as we agree, as long as we agree on the sections, I tell you what needs to be. So here is what I'm saying, guys. Here is the thing. As long as I'm supervising, I will of course not expect anything less than a good job. You have to write properly, and I will not accept mediocre or copied work. So if you copy work, because even all the works that you submit to me, this is not the final. I'll check again and confirm that it is your own work, even when I have it. Copied work, I'm ruthless. It will be gone. When I'm supervising it, that's for sure. But what I'm saying is that considering even the progress, it's like what she has captured here. It's not well done as such. It's not as something as beautiful as that. But this is progress, and this means we can start thinking about the issue of presentation. I also think there is also another one that I saw. I have picked hers because, of course, being a class rep, some things are obvious that you represent, the way the philosophy of the class. But here is another one that I've shown. So I want to show you some one more that I've looked at. So let me just show you some examples of work that I've also looked at. This is another one. And I want to show you that there is a place for it. So online men and women version store. It's presented by Tambo. So one can read a bit of that overview and search and a discussion around this and around that. So the platform intends to matchmake. So this is a name. I don't want that because just 1 minute, please. So sorry, I was saying, I don't know why. I actually asked myself some questions. When you are told this is what I said I need. I needed the overview. Wewe wachana na hiyo overview because email umeandika hapa is the wrong one. Is the wrong one. And angalia hizi proposal objective umeniandikia. These objectives are the wrong ones because this is not what I want as the objectives. This is not the objectives that I'm requesting. And that's the kind of thing that I'm saying, Gomo. You look at, so this is okay. Keywords, go to planning. So in progress, done, in progress, undone. What does this mean? What does the word undone mean? What does the word undone mean? Does it mean you did it? Now it is undone. You know, undone. And actually in my conversation, I just said, you just write, you just leave it empty. Actually, I said, leave it empty. It's better. Sasa ukisema undone, nashindwa. Is this the problem with the grammar or what? Because when you say undone, you're saying you did it, but now it is done. Poor. Higher. Then initial references, of course, this cannot be a reference. IAPA is not a reference. So if you are to spend time working on this and improving it, the Gantt chart is not detailed. You see, this is now where I was saying, look, this part, you have done a bit of detail. Here, this is not detailed. So this is not complete because what I needed is that there must be a matching. That's why I told you, do the planning and then you match it through to what you have. Do this planning. What you have here is what I need in, unless you are telling me you're not the one who did this work, then you come and fit it here. You add the task and subtask. And don't go looking for things that I have not said go and write objective because I never explain how they are because I know they are going to be difficult. You do the aim. This is not the aim that I want. You do objective. These are not the objectives that I want. I never asked you to do objective. I never asked you to do the aim. I just told you, do the first page, the title, do the overview, right? Then come to the keywords, go to the planning, and then go to the issue of references, and then go to the issue of Gantt chart. And I have explained you the way these things are supposed to be done. Once you are done, now that's when I was saying, because you understand your work, now I can talk about what a name is and how to write a name. But now, this is why I'm saying that there must be something that maybe on my end is not clear because I asked you to do just a bit of this. You say you are not able to do it. You fail to do it, but whatever you're doing, you add extra details that are not necessary. So let me just show you another. So this is by James. An alternative method of exam taking in primary school education and such. An alternative method of exam taking in primary school through an online means. Well, like I said, and we agreed with this from our discussion, this title is something I can tolerate. It's not, I'll rate it as being a title in the rate of 4 out of 20. It's not a good title, but it's a title that, because an alternative method for exam taking in primary school through an online means, it's a poor title. But I say, for you guys, we can tolerate that. So overview is done. Look at that, references. So the aim of this project, so now we have this, the aim of this project to create a website where primary schools can conduct examination for their students. Well, this is the aim of the project. Yani, it still is, this is not, you have written it, your aim is not so bad. It is going in the direction I want, but it is not, because it doesn't meet what I'm looking for. Here, you now go to the objectives. And you see, because this is wrong. The objectives you have are wrong. These are wrong objectives already. So now why you will get disappointed, because I'll tell you that is wrong. This is okay. This is okay. Now let us also be realistic also when we write the things we write here, because I told you are customizing it. So proposal development, I don't know why that should be in capital. These others are small anyway. Overview references, that's okay. Oh, okay, you want that to be a subtitle, so I can agree, no problem. Looks, if you are consistent that way, I mean, if you are consistent that, if you are consistent like you are here, that you are saying that every subsection you write it in capital, it's not a problem. So addition of cover details, that's okay. References, requirements, obtaining broad requirements from school, determining feasibility of the broad requirements, board requirements. Sasa, you know, when you start talking about board, what you are telling me is that you copied that part of the work directly, because here, if I were you just needed to say just the obtaining requirements. Because when you say from school, removing and feasibility requirement, this is okay, combining final requirements, determining software business logic, creating wireframes, that's okay. structuring how data will be represented, review of the design, setup environment, adding version control. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Creating user, implementing logic, assembly, final assembly of working prototype, checking front end, checking bugs and errors, testing, purchasing a domain for the website. I don't know whether for sure this is something you plan to do or you just picked it, because that would mean that some money will be used for purchasing the domain. Well, I don't know. For me, this is not a requirement that you have a domain. But if you really mean it, because this is important, you can still have it. But if you are putting it just to feel that, remove that, just put Firebase, ensuring website is online, looks okay. If you're going to, your work here looks like, except some of these things, these ones don't make sense. But this is an improvement, of course, of the overview. Let us go to the part on. Let us go to the part of initial references. These ones are in the level of 2 out of 0, and 2 out of 20. They are cartoons. Now, even this, still not well done. Why would you go capturing the whole of this part? For what? The whole of this. I just want this section. And then this section is not as detailed as the way it is. You see, the details that are supposed to be here should be as much as the details that are here, because these are the timelines. So the details that I want to see on your Gantt chart here should be the details that are contained there. So when I say that your proposal is still not yet, that's exactly what I mean. Unless this guy called me and he has a comment to make about the comments I've talked about. James Marie, any comment? Any comment? So James looks like there are other screenshots below. James says there are other screenshots below. Yes, but what I've complained about, James, is that the way you have done it, you see, there's a way it doesn't look professional. That's why I'm complaining. I'm saying you could have, the part that I'm interested in is not this portion. The part I'm interested in is this portion. And I said, you can take this page and convert it to a portrait, just this page of the appendix, and then you put it. Yani, what I'm saying is that, yes, naiona hapa, but it is not well done. Hizi details zote hazina haja. Haya. And if you have questions, if you have a question, ask. Don't ask. For sure, if you ask an intelligent question or something that you're asking that is of concern, don't get offended. Ask questions. Challenge the argument that I'm raising. That's what I want to hear. So that when you say, Mimi sielewi, I can understand. When you say you need this one, we can help. But let it be an argument. Because this is an academic process. I don't know when we can be able to realize this is an interesting thing for me because it's an academic process. You're not like in politics or something. You state your facts, we look at them and see what you are talking about. So let's see this one for Kanai. And please, today you allow me to exit area. I have another meeting coming up. But if you have questions, you'll ask, because I'll explain the next step, and then you will have meaning. So this is an online platform for unique and bespoke goods and services. This is okay, so that's okay. The overview looks like he has improved. Keywords, okay. So Gantt chart, complete, incomplete. That's okay. Test case, it's a bit shallow, but we can live with that. So this is the font, and we are in acceptance to that. This is the font that you are using here, and it's 14, which means you need to check that. The Gantt chart is poor. So The Gantt chart is poor. So I don't know anybody else. So let me go to what we need to look at. As I have said, I would expect questions from you if you have challenges, but if you have none, then I think it would be okay for me to talk about what next. But if you have questions, ask questions. I am as clear as that. Ask questions if you have challenges. If you need something that is of interest, I would want to see. So let me talk about this aim, why I'm saying this aim is not a good aim. So here, what Esther has stated, this is what I would call an advantage to the advantage of the system. That's what Esther has stated here. This is the advantage of the system. This is not an aim. The aim is why you as a student, why are you taking up this project? This is the argument. Why are you taking up this project? And the best way would have been to look at what type of areas you are researching. So if you look at your work, you are saying you are doing something on police management system or ticket bearing, which will be an online system. So here, the way I would write it is the aim of this project is to investigate the current design and implementation techniques for online systems, design and develop, or even design and develop an online system for managing traffic offenses. So let me explain what is the difference between what you have and what I have. Let me explain what the difference is between what you have and what you have so that everybody can understand. You see, the aim of this project is to investigate the current design and implementation techniques for online systems. As a student, because you see, when you come and tell us here to solve the issues of motorists committing specific traffic offense, the truth is that hata ukimaliza hii project, hii kitu hautakuwa umesolve. Hii nayo hautakuwa umesolve. I mean, hata ukimaliza hii project, sio lazima hao watu adopt hii kitu. We are talking about something that is real. This is why I'm saying we want something that is real. So the aim of this project for you as a student is to investigate the current design and implementation techniques for online systems, right? Your part totally in agreement. Then you are supposed to design and develop an online system for managing traffic offense. This is now the kind of objective that I want. Because this objective talks directly about your work. This objective talks directly about your work. That's why I want something like this. So do you understand the kind of objective I want?
Yes.
That's what I want. About those small bits that will help you achieve that big bit. Those are the things that you will do to be able to achieve these objectives, these aim here. Those are the objectives. So to give you an example, I would say, instead of saying something like what you have written, I would have said something like, so the first objective would be to research on current web online system, design development techniques. So you see, here I'm trying to, if you look at this objective, it is aimed at achieving this part. So to research on current online systems development techniques. Then here I put each objective will have the activities. Each objective will have the activity. So for example, I would say activity 1. Where will you be able to do this, to research on current online system development techniques? Where will you be able to go? So maybe I could say visit online visit online sources for details on the trends in systems design. So you see, here you are telling me, for me to achieve this objective, this is what I'll do, right? I'll visit online sources, maybe even say, visit JKU at current library to access books on web development or something like that, web development. That is the objective 1. Then once you are done with this, maybe the next one, to compare various design techniques for online application. Compare and contrast various design techniques for online applications, and select suitable design and development technique. Full stop. So here, once you say that that's what you will do, then you put what is your aim. Yeah, what is your activity, sorry. And another thing that I'm almost forgetting, please. Now that you need to understand, these activities are aligned with what you wrote and you are on what you write and you are planning. So that's why it is important. So if, for example, this part of you gathering requirements, I want you to give me an idea of the date that you'll take for the time, maybe 2 days. Then here, you come here and you say this one will take maybe 4 days, something like that. Then now you come here to compare and contrast various design techniques for online applications and select suitable design and development techniques. You state some of the activities that would entail that. Yeah, would entail that. Maybe you would have comparing the various development environment, comparing various development environments. Maybe there could be another objective. And then now here, you come to the next one. You say now, gather requirements of the system, gather requirements of the, this is supposed to be over, gather requirements of the online traffic management system. So maybe here, the activities would entail things like visiting traffic police department, to gather information on various needs, maybe something like that. Number 2, set up questionnaire. I don't want it to be capital. Set up questionnaire for regular users of the system. So I'm assuming in that case, I don't understand. I think that case, it will depend with who are your regular users. So then maybe give us a date, 5 days. Maybe this one will take 30 days to gather requirements. Then now this is the final one. You say now here, design and develop an online system for traffic management. So then here you will argue about number A, design the system, B, implement the database, the system, comma, the user interface and the business logic of the system. Correct. And C, test, carry out, white box and black box testing of the system. And you give us the data that. You look at these objectives and think of them this way. How will these objectives help me achieve what I want to the end? At the end, will I have investigated the current design? These two will help me achieve that. Will I have designed the system? These two will help me achieve that. And that's what I want. I don't want these advantages that are listed here. This is not the kind of stuff that I wanted. I don't want the advantages. I'm looking for, these are the steps that will guide you towards achieving what you want here. And that's what is the, so now you have everything that is needed. This is how your proposal should look like. I mean, everything, I've given you the ideas, and this is what I want from you. Any comment now? Looks like you're okay. That's what is looking for.
Excuse.
I know some people are writing and saying they would want to. I want you to be people who are granular also. Look at it this way. If I have said I have another meeting coming up, and that's why maybe even I'm already 2 minutes late. So what I'm suggesting is this. I want you to run and improve on the document. The documents that you have uploaded online, they are documents that are looked. The only person whom I want to give very fast an opportunity is there's a guy who says they have their own proposal. And they say that, I don't know whether he is in this forum, who said he has a proposal that is complete and can show. I think he said he has that. We can listen to his proposal and see. Is it Fred or who is that? who says that their proposal is complete. And complete means that whatever I've asked for here is what you have. Complete means nothing less than that. So it looks like he is not here.
I would like a review on my document.
Are you not getting what I'm saying? What I'm saying, Nani? You're not getting what I'm saying. I'm saying that I have a meeting coming up. That's why. So if you're understanding what I'm saying that reviewing those documents is for now, as long as you have understood what I'm saying, I want you to go ahead and finish the system, finish the document that you are building. There will be enough time for me to look at them. As long as I've explained to you what is happening and what needs to be done, go ahead and implement them so that I don't have to repeat myself saying your citations, and everything. It doesn't make my work easier either. So, and then also these guys try to make them. But if yours is okay on that, go ahead and now add the aim and the objectives. And then we go ahead. So the person whom I was saying needed a review was a guy who had said that everything is right the way I've said I want it. Because so here is the thing. Once your proposal is complete and well done, now I'll give you an opportunity to present. We are taking time to design it. Then you will have time to present. And you'll be graded based on that. You'll be graded based on your presentation as well. Any other question? All right, so I think for me, this is what I've said. So here are the things that I want you to do. For me to consider your proposal to be complete, you must take that shape. A good document that includes what I have highlighted. You must know how to write and you must be able to write it correctly. That's number one. Two, if you bring to me work that is copied or a project that you want to steal, I'll reject it day in, day out, including even the final day of presentation. I can reject it. You have to be the one who owns that work. I don't expect so high level of work. For those ones who came for presentation on the other students that I'm supervising, you might have seen that the level of work is a bit so high. I am not expecting that. But if I get it, I would be happy. There is no reason why you should not target to get that. But whatever now I'm saying I want you to do is what I've given. So work on that. Make sure that your proposal gets that level. When I list proposals that have gotten to the bare minimum and now they can be allowed to present, I'll give you an opportunity to present and then we can go. And please, when you raise issues that are so interesting. Like, for example, don't say that issues of covering one topic, look at what our course is all about. Our course is about proposal development. And that's what we are exactly doing. Am I worried about our coverage? If I'm worried, it's because of you, not because of me. Because the way you write the overview, the way you have done the citation, that's what would be my concern. Am I worried about my pace? Perfect pace. I would reward myself a reward for that because I have consistently advised you on the way to do the job. So hiyo naye hata kama unasema unaona ni topic moja, hiyo ni yako. Number two, on the issue of a physical class, I have no problem, but tell me why physical class would be beneficial to you, and then I'll see. If it is okay, I'll come. If you want an online physical class, well, for me, I don't see the need for sure, but that doesn't mean that my opinion is written on a stone. If you say you want it, I will see, because online works for everybody well, because you look at it this way. What we are doing in the project is a question of you having resources, internet, and such, and most of the work you're doing it online. So why not? But this is not written on a stone. This is not like the one that I'm saying that I'm already sure that most of you will fit into the online teaching. Some of you may never fit into it. So if that is the case, you can highlight that and tell me. But I'm saying, so far, our coverage, what I've covered, what I've shown you, it is you who is holding the system back, not me at all. So any other question? Nina feel kama hiyo inatosha. Thank you so much. Go ahead and finish the job, upload all the jobs now. I'm assuming next week I'll now have a complete proposal and we'll organize how. I'll just check them and we'll have some few people presenting. So that's the idea.